Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson Boli. In our previous session we came to know that when teacher asked the name, Boli could not tell her name because of her stammering. Then all the other girls laughed at her. Later the bell rang. All the children, they scurried out of the room. She remained alone inside the classroom. Then teacher came near to her and again she asked her to tell her name. Her way of speaking, teacher's way of speaking was pleasant one. So Boli decided to tell her name, and with difficulty she told her name properly. Then again teacher encouraged her and she told that Boli will be able to speak like anyone else. And then Boli looked up if to say really am I going to speak like other children, like that. She looked at her teacher. Now let's continue the lesson. Yes, it will be very easy. You just come to school every day. Will you come? Okay. Then teacher again confirmed. She said, yes, it will be very easy. It is very easy. You will learn to speak. You just come to school every day. Will you come? Okay. Only one thing you have to do. You just come to school every day. Will you come? Again, teacher asked her. Boli nodded. Then Boli nodded her head in order to show her agreement. Yes, I am ready to come. No, say it aloud. But teacher said, no, you should not nod your head. You have to open your mouth. You tell it aloud. Yes. And Boli herself was astonished that she had been able to say it. Then Boli replied with little stammer, yes. Okay. And Boli herself astonished means surprised that she had been able to say it. Okay, when her name was asked, it was difficult for her to tell her name. But now this yes word came easily to her. That's why she was astonished. She was surprised. Didn't I tell you? No, take this book. Yeah, didn't I tell you? If you practice, you can speak like others. Teacher said, now take this book. Teacher gave a book to her. The book was full of nice pictures, and pictures were in color. Dog, cat, goat, horse, parrot, tiger, and a cow just like Lakshmi. And with every picture was a word in a big block letters. Then she opened the book. The book was full of nice pictures. Many pictures were there. And pictures were in colors. All those pictures were in colors. There are pictures of dog, cat, goat, horse, parrot, tiger, and a cow. That cow was just like the Lakshmi. Okay, the cow of her house, Lakshmi. And with every picture was a word in big block letter. In front of every picture there was a word in big block letters. Okay, big block letters. Okay. Some words were there in front of every picture. In 1 month, you will be able to read this book. Then I will give you a bigger book. Then a still bigger one. Yeah, within 1 month, you will be able to read this book. Then I will give you a bigger book. When you will be able to read this book, then I will give you bigger book. Then a still bigger one. After that, I will give you another bigger one. In time, you will be more learned than anyone else in the village. If you continue your reading in a proper manner, in time, you will be more learned than anyone else in the village. Like this, teacher is encouraging that girl. Then no one will be able to laugh at you. When you will become a learned person, no one will be laughed at you. People will listen to you with respect, and you will be able to speak without slightest stammer. Okay, and you will be, people will listen to you with respect. When you will become a learned person, people will listen to you with respect, and you will be able to speak without slightest stammer. Okay, you will be able to speak without any problem, without stammer or stuttering. Understand? Now go home and come back early tomorrow morning. Okay. Now you go to home and tomorrow you come back early in the morning. Boli felt as if suddenly all the bells in the village temple were ringing, and the trees in front of the schoolhouse had blossomed into big red flowers. Her heart was throbbing with a new hope and a new life. See here, Boli felt as if suddenly all the bells in the village temple were ringing. Okay, all the bells in the village temple were ringing. Like that, she felt for a moment. It shows her happiness. Okay. And trees in front of the schoolhouse had blossomed into big red flowers. Yeah, the trees in front of the schoolhouse had blossomed. Blossomed means flourished. Okay. Flourished into big red flowers. All the trees, they are filled with big red flowers. Like that, she felt for a moment. Her heart was throbbing with a new hope and a new life. Her heart was throbbing. Throbbing means, yeah, beating or pounding strongly. Her heart was beating with a new hope and new life. There was a new hope for her, and there was a new life. Okay. Till then, she was completely neglected by others. All were scolding her. For the first time in her life, she had seen a person who was encouraging her. That's why she felt so happy at that moment. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.